as you guys can see, this is the soursop leaf right there. All right, we have a few slices of ginger and some bay leaf also inside of it. We have some cloves right here inside of it, and we use quite a few of the bay leaf inside of it to get that nutriment out of the bay leaf and also out of the soursop leaf. Now the soursop leaf is very good to boost the immune system, and it also help with your high blood pressure. It also help with catalog. It also help you with heart disease, and the list goes on. There's a lot of information is in the soursop leaf recipe, which I just post on my YouTube channel in the chat section. You guys can look right there. All right, remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. Now guys, as I say, you can drink one of these first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and also you can drink one in the evening before you go to bed. Also depends on your immune system. Let's turn off the cooker. All right, so we turn off the cooker, and what we're going to do next is make it cool down a little bit, and then we pour it off. Beautiful one.